Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Patreon application. Keep watching the video till the end. To update your Patreon application, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in Patreon and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Simply tap on the application. Now all you need to do is click on update button to update the application. As you can see, there's no update available in my case, but if the updates are available in yours, simply click on update option to update the application. This is how you can update Patreon application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.